learners, today we're going to talk about exponential equations. So we have here the property of equality of exponential equations. It is stated that if b is a positive number other than 1, then b raised to x is equal to b raised to y. If and only if x is equal to y. So ang ibig sabihin lang nito, pag ang bases ng dalawang exponential function ay parehas or the same, then yung mga exponents nila are also equal. So how are we going to solve exponential equations? So we have here three ways. So step 1, we have to find a way to make the bases the same. So dapat magkaparehas yung base ng given natin. If in case yung given ay hindi magkaparehas yung base, then hahanap tayo ng paraan para maging equal yung base nila. Next step, we're going to equate the exponents. Then lastly, we're going to solve for the unknown variable. So para mas maliwanag, I have here our first example. Suppose we have 9 is equal to 3 raised to x. So in this case, yung goal natin is to solve for the value of x. So tinawag siya na exponential equation kasi nga we have an equal sign and at the same time, we have two exponential functions that are equated to each other. So we have here 9 is equal to 3 raised to x. So kung mapapansin natin, hindi sila magkaparehas ng base. Yung nasa left side, we have 9 as its base. At yung nasa right side naman, we have 3. So ano yung gagawin natin para magkaparehas sila ng base? So we're going to think of a number na pag i-erase natin sa particular na exponent, we will get 9. So we are going to follow yung base ng nasa right side ng equation. Kasi nga siya yung na-raise sa exponent na x. But we can also follow kung ano man yung base ng nasa left side. So, depende na lang yun sa inyo kung saan kayo mas comfortable or saan yung mas madali. So, in this case, yung 3 raised to x, yung 3 na base, ito yung naging hint or clue natin. Ibig sabihin, yung nasa left side, kailangan maging 3 din yung base niya. So, ginawa nating 3 yung base niya. Then, maghahanap tayo ng exponent na pag erase natin yung 3 by that exponent, the answer would be the original na 9. So, ang ginawa lang natin is yung original na number, transform natin into exponential. So, that would be 3 raised to 2. Kasi nga, 3 times 3 would be equal to 9. So, in this case, since magkaparehas na sila ng base, ibababa na natin yung dalawang exponents. So, that would be 2 is equal to x. So, hindi na natin siya kailangang isolve kasi nga isang numerical na lang yung binigay. So, we have 2 is equal to x. Ibig sabihin nito, yung value ng x natin would be equal to 2. Okay, how about this one? We have 4 raised to 2x is equal to 64 raised to x minus 1. Now, we can follow 64. Gagawin natin 64 yung dalawang bases. Pwede rin na yung dalawang bases gawin nating 4. So, it would be convenient for me or for us. So, it would be convenient for you pag yung mas maliit yung i-follow natin. So, we're going to take note of the bases or the base 4. So, yung nasa right side, gagawin din natin or we're going to express it into exponential form. So, yung 64 can be expressed as 4 cube. Kasi 4 times 4 times 4 is equal to 64. Now, since same na yung base nila, we're going to solve now for the value of x. So, ibababa natin yung dalawang exponent nila. Sa left side, we're going to write down 2x. And sa right side naman, since we have binomial na exponent, so yung exponential form natin, yung exponent niya, we're going to distribute it to the two terms. So, 3 times x is 3x, and 3 times negative 1 is equal to negative 3. So, yung final exponent natin sa right side ng equation would be 3x minus 3. Then, we're going to solve now for the value of x. So, transpose lang natin yung positive 3x, so magiging negative 3x. So, it will become negative 3x plus 2x is equal to negative 3. Combine similar terms, it will be negative x is equal to negative 3. But since hindi natin gusto na negative yung numerical coefficient ng x, then we're going to multiply the whole equation by negative 1. So yung negative x natin naging positive x, at yung negative 3 naman natin naging positive 3. Therefore, the final answer is x is equal to 3. Let's have letter C. So we have here 16 raised to x is equal to 1 over 8 raised to 2x minus 1. So, ang ginawa natin, since we cannot change them into the same bases na gagayahin natin yung either sa kanila, let's say 18 yung i-follow natin, there will be no exponent na pag erase natin si 8 magiging equal to 16. But we can transform 8 and 16 as exponential form in which yung base nila would be equal to 2. So, yung 2, pag erase natin sa 4, magiging equal to 16. At yung 2 naman, pag erase natin sa exponent na 3, magiging equal to 8. Okay. So, in this case, sa letter C, yung dalawang side ng exponential equation mismo yung binago natin. So, sa left side, we're going to multiply 4 by x. At yung sa right side naman, we're going to multiply 3 by 2x minus 1. So, again, do not forget to distribute. So, dapat siya i-distribute pag more than one term na yung exponent natin. Okay, so, again, sa left side natin, we have 2 raised to 4x. Sa right side naman natin, naging 1 all over 2 raised to the power of 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times negative 1 is 3. Now, we can change the denominator. We can write this one as a numerator. So, pag isulat natin yung denominator as a numerator, yung whole exponent niya becomes negative 1. Okay? So, yung 2 raised to 6x minus 3 quantity raised to negative 1 is just the same sa original natin na fraction na 1 over 2 raised to 6x minus 3. So, again, yung denominator, nilipat lang natin sa numerator at naging negative 1 yung kanyang exponent. Okay, solving further, we can multiply negative 1 using the laws of exponent. We can multiply it to the exponent na nasa loob ng parentheses natin. So, it will become negative 6x plus 3. Now, since same na sila ng base, we're going to solve now for the value of x. So, ibababa natin yung dalawang exponent. We have 4x is equal to negative 6x plus 3. Then, ilipat natin si negative 6x sa left side ng equation. Then, it will become positive 6x. So, positive 6x plus 4x is equal to 3 na yung magiging equation natin. Simplifying it further, we have 10x is equal to 3. So, to solve for x, we are going to divide both sides by 10. Kaya, yung value ng x natin becomes 3 over 10. Now, we have our last example. We have 3 raised to the power of x squared plus 6x plus 7 is equal to 9 raised to x plus 2. Again, yung first procedure natin, we make sure na yung base nila ay the same. So, we can follow yung 3. Because we all know for a fact that we have 3 squared. If we're going to perform that one, that would be equal to 9. Okay. So, yung sa right side natin, nabago natin siya, or binago natin siya, naging 3 raised to 2. Quantity raised to x plus 2. Now, since same na sila ng base, then we can operate. So, again, do not forget, since binomial yung original exponent natin sa right side ng equation, we're going to distribute 2 sa dalawang terms. So, it will become 3 raised to 2x plus 4. So, same na sila ng base. So, ibababa natin ngayon yung exponents nila. Then, we're going to solve for x. So, lipat lang natin lahat sa left side ng equation. Then, combine natin yung mga similar terms. Ang 6x minus 2x becomes positive 4x. While 7 minus 4 is equal to 3 or positive 3. So, quadratic yung nakuha natin. So, since quadratic, we can use different methods para makuha yung values ni x. So, we have two values of x here. So, in this case, ang gagamitin ko would be factoring. So this is factoring quadratic trinomial. So we have x squared plus 4x plus 3. The factors are x plus 1 at x plus 3 is equal to 0. So yung bawat factors, we're going to equate that 1 to 0. So x plus 1 is equal to 0. Ililipat lang natin si positive 1 sa right side ng equation, magiging negative 1. Kaya yung first value ng x natin is x is equal to negative 1. Yung sa pangalawang factor naman na x plus 3, yung positive 3, ililipat lang natin sa right side ng equation, magiging negative 3. Kaya yung pangalawang value ng x would be x is equal to negative 3.
Now it's your turn. Try to answer the following questions. And that's a wrap. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Sir Ninyo. And you can also post your math problems in the comment section. And we will do our very best to provide solution to your questions. Because remember, every problem has a solution. At kung math ang problema ninyo, ako ang kaagapay ninyo, ako ang Sir Ninyo.